Hi everyone, what's the agenda today? Anyone, someone had any idea?
Hello, guys. Uh,
Hello,
Good morning.
good morning.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, so me and Kenny are already in Germany, so we are
Okay.
told to share our experience with you, whatever you would like to know about this. So you can ask us whatever you want.
First,
We will be trying to answer it.
okay, first
Yeah.
of all,
Hello, everyone. I am
congratulations.
Kenny. Thank you.
Yes, you're saying something. Please carry on.
Yeah, I'm saying my name is Kenny, and I'm in Germany with Roshan Raj.
Okay, hope you guys are doing well.
If you guys have any questions, you can ask.
Okay.
Yes, one question I have. Like, what are the options in finance field after we complete the course? Can we go into investment banking, or do we have to choose other subjects also with it? Like, we have to
Yeah,
add other
we
credits.
our one of our seniors, like she is already in Deutsche Bank in analytics.
Mhm.
So I guess yeah, in every sector, analytics has a part to play with it. So that is not an issue.
Okay, right. And how was your experience in from like in third and fourth semester? Do we have to learn anything, or it is just applying whatever we
No,
learn in first year?
we are already in third semester actually. We just
Okay.
flew
Okay.
last
Okay.
week.
Right. Okay. Okay. So how's the experience like first? I mean, how is the support system? How they are guiding you?
Yeah, it was good. The important things you need to know that there will be a lot of like German. You need to
Mhm.
know very fluent German and you need to speak actually because the day we landed in 1 or 2 hours, we knew that German is gonna be
Right.
like it's the most important thing.
Yeah, actually in Germany nobody
First
can speak
preference is
English.
German, right?
Yeah,
Exactly.
nobody can English. Nobody can speak English.
Hmm.
Only Germany is allowed.
Okay. So
So
the
it's a
Even
little
if
bit
you
problem.
even if you pronounce bus as bus, they won't consider it. You
okay.
have to tell it bus.
Boost. Yeah.
So they are very strict about it and they completely are unaware of anything about English. So don't expect any help
Okay.
unless you know German. Like you have to know two A1 and A2 level are in our course. So you need to not only learn that, but you need to some get some interactions also. So it will be good. And apart from that, in the academics, the syllabus is very much helpful. The theories, the project, you need to do the project very like on an individual basis. You need to do it. It's not like our graduation that 2 to 3 groups are there and one is doing, rest are like it's okay, it will be done.
One
So
will
we will
prepare
get the
the
marks.
guide and other will join in like that. Right.
Was yeah, was right from the first day of the third semester, we are
Mhm.
being driven through the projects only, assignments and assignments. Everything is like practical. So if you
Okay.
don't have any idea, it won't
Mhm.
gonna help anyone.
Okay. So faculty
It
from
doesn't,
university will
it
guide it,
doesn't
right?
matter that yeah, it doesn't matter that if you know something about it, like
Mhm.
from the beginning, if you are from the computer science background, because we have some like 5 to 6 mechanical backgrounds, and they are doing very good. And I'm from IT, so not an issue for me. But they are doing good because they have implemented their knowledge and everything in the second semester of projects. So it doesn't matter if you are from which background. You the theories they will teach you from very basic.
Okay. So they will teach you also.
Yeah, for
I
the
mean in third semester.
first and second semester, it
First,
will be
okay.
very basic.
Right.
So not an issue for you, anyone.
Okay. Actually, in this batch, me and Love are from finance background, and others from
So not an issue. One of our mates is from arts background, so he is also doing good.
So when I mean the all things, whatever you said, means that if we do well in first year, like if we go through our basics very carefully, then we won't face an issue, right?
No, 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 you won't. Just go through the theoretical parts
Mhm.
well enough
Uh,
and keep your research work good. Like whatever you are given the topic, just
uh-huh.
you have Google, you have internet, YouTube.
Yeah.
So keep your research work good so that you can dig deep into any topic when you are given. Because here in Germany, they will not spoon feed
Yeah.
you,
That.
they will give you the topics. You
Mhm.
have to dig deep in. And if you have any problem, you can ask whatever you want, not an issue. But your
Just
work should be like good. Your research work, your that should be good. So it will
Yeah,
help
that
you to
German,
gain knowledge on
but
it.
that the Germans go, I mean, like in education, they go very deep.
Yeah,
Whatever field you are studying, but they go very, very deep. So they make you very, from core, they
yes,
taught you from, teach you from core and make you very
yes.
better educated.
In the 3 hour session, like they will teach you 2 hours and rest
Okay.
1 hour will be based on your. You have to show that time only the assignments. You have to quick in making presentations. You have to
Okay.
quick in finding out the research work and your all uh, informations, whatever the topic you are given. You have to
Mhm.
be good in case studies.
Okay,
So
so
I think
we
Amit
are
sir will be
your
teaching you
yeah.
case studies. So he is one of the most experienced teacher in India in data science.
Mhm.
So if you get Amit sir in the second semester also and the first semester also, so make sure that you gain a lot of knowledge through him.
Which subject he going to teach? Amit sir.
Business intelligence, analytics, and mainly on case study.
Uh-huh. Okay, so actually we interacted with three faculties. There's Sunil sir, Poona ma'am, and Prashant sir.
Yeah, Purna ma'am is also she's very experienced. She
Yes.
has taught us most of the subjects, like 3 to 4 in the both the semesters. So she
Amit
has
sir
a
will
very
join
good
from
grip
second
on.
semester, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Poona ma'am, she's like
So one
from
more question, like, do we have to like have a deep learning about the Microsoft Excel and other words so that we have to work in them only?
Ba-
So we need to
Basic,
practice it before.
no, no. Basic things is they will give you knowledge. That is enough.
okay. And what
Okay.
about the knowledge of computer science? I mean, from a IT background. Like, for example, a person is from a BTech, like I think you are, right?
Yeah, I'm from
And
CSC.
yeah, okay. And from people, student from other backgrounds, how like when we are studying the same course, right? So at what level we should learn about computer
They
science?
will start from very
Yes.
basic. So if you
Okay.
are from computer science or IT, you
To
may
basic
feel
technical.
like you are already done with those courses, like some
Mhm.
things, technicalities.
Right.
So if you are from other background,
Mm.
it's completely from the basic.
Okay.
Even the Python you will be learning from beginning, then R, then
Python and
SQL,
R. Right.
yeah, then some analytics and visualization tool. It will be in second semester. So make sure that you have a good grip in each and everything you are reading, at least the basic things.
Okay.
If you have the basic idea, not an
Mhm.
issue for anywhere. You won't be facing any issue.
Right. Okay.
Because yeah, even one of our friend is from arts background. So
Mhm.
see, doesn't have any technical knowledge. Still,
Uh,
he is doing at least
that.
he is best in case studies because he is from arts.
Uh,
So
he
you need
must be
not
a
have
very
to
good
grip
reader.
in and every, yeah. But
So no matters any field है ना.
yeah, doesn't matter. You will be have thorough knowledge in the first and second semester. That's enough.
रोशन भाई सेमेस्टर के मटेरियल्स मिल जाएंगे ना आप आपके पास से भी if you have
They will
materials
provide
assignment.
assignment. Yeah, they will provide you not after they teach you. They will give the questions from there only.
Okay, so no issue, don't be worry about that, you know?
Yeah, nothing to worry. Just take care of 3 to 4 things that I told. That learn German thing and have a fluency in it. If you have more basic at least some vocabs and speaking practice, it will be good after you land here. Then have some basic tools and all basic ideas. Then go deep in some research work. It will be helpful in third and fourth semester. So these are the things you need to care about.
Yeah.
anything more?
Just a second, I'm thinking in our last. And yeah, yes, what about the accommodation and all? How things are managed there?
Accommodations are good. Like you will
Like, is it
before
provided by
after you.
university or we have to find it on, like it's in university campus or you find it on your own or helped by Keystone?
You just tell the management. Management will do it from their side. Once your travel tickets are confirmed after the
Mhm.
visa,
Huh.
and they will book. Sometimes
So,
our seniors also help. So in your case, we might help you finding accommodations
mhm.
nearby.
You guys were the first batch, right, from Keystone? I mean.
From Keystone, we are the first, but there are
Okay.
some 2 to 3 batches of Don Bosco. So we got help from them.
Okay. So you all are there in Germany, or some students are there still here in India? Like
Two of
everyone
us
from
are
your
in Germany.
branch?
2 of us are in Germany already, me and Kenny,
Mhm.
and 2 guys will be by here by Sunday, then 2 girls will be here by Wednesday,
Okay.
and 3 are still pending.
Okay. So like pending for from the I mean embassy or what's the reason?
Embassy.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
we can't do
pending
anything about it. So it's because of
that thing
Corona,
is
the
not in
embassy
our
has delayed the things.
yes, that thing is not in our control. But means from study part or education part, they are clear to fly to Germany, right?
Yeah. We were already clear since 2 months,
Mhm.
but we were waiting for the visa.
Okay. Right.
Except Germany, each and every country were like fine, doing fine on time. I don't know
Mhm.
what is the problem with the Germans.
Right.
Well, now
No,
they
I
are
mean, like
shifting the
everyone is
process.
facing this issue. Not only Germany. I mean, everyone is having issues because of COVID lockdown.
Yeah, exactly.
So you flew
Next,
directly, or you went via other country?
direct flights are from only from Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. But since Corona occurred,
Mhm.
so the Mumbai flights were diverted to Bangalore and then Bangalore to Frankfurt.
Okay.
It takes like 10 hours from Bangalore.
Mhm.
10 to
So you are
11
basically
hours.
from Gujarat only?
No, I'm from Bihar, but I studied my college degrees from Parul
Right.
University.
Okay. Great. Yes, Ankit bhai,
Kenny
please
is
ask.
from
Yeah,
Kenny is
I'm from Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So what about the job market current time in Germany, especially in IT fields?
so
Sorry,
the when the new already the new government has arrived, so they have already announced that they need like 5 lakh workforce each year. Otherwise, they will be collapsing in like the most of the people in Germany are old age now, so they need to
average age
be
is 45, right?
paid. Yeah, so but only the taxpayers can do that, and they are short in like workforce. So they
Mhm.
need like 5 lakh of people each year.
Okay.
So I guess there is a lot of scope.
Okay, and one or more question. If the people is speaking of multiple languages, so it is beneficial for especially in job market. I learn A1 and A2 already in French, and plan to join A1 in German.
So the good thing is you can move to any country out of 22. So it's not about only Germany. If you get a Schengen visa, you can move to any country and have a job. Like some of our seniors are already in Italy, then France. They're
Okay.
working.
Okay. One last question in academic sides. As per your guidance and suggestion, which subject basically we put in more way to focus specialization sides?
See, every subject should be focused because the theoretical subjects will build you knowledge, gain you knowledge. Case study will help you a lot in understanding the things, and then finally the projects will help you implementing those knowledge. So these three things you will be facing.
One question I have, like if because I'm from a finance field, BCom background, so will we be getting any projects which we can do in finance companies or like investment banking
There are
companies so that
a lot of projects. You can just find it, dig it. You can do in finance, you can do in medical, healthcare. Just do the projects. That's it. You will gain
You
because
experience
can
out of
also do
yeah,
your project on
like
banking.
okay, this will help us after completing the course to get jobs in
Yeah,
banks
it's
and
up to you. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
It's up to you actually which project you choose.
Okay. Because I and Abhishek are only from the commerce background, and rest are from other backgrounds.
not an issue.
I think four are from chemical and
See, after all, you have to implement those things. You can take whatever the
whatever.
topic you want. There are so
And
many things,
language
algorithms.
side, which one is mandatory? Minimum B1, if I'm not wrong.
If you have B1, it's enough for Germany. You will get preference, good preference. But it
So for
depends.
that we have to
In some,
prepare over there in third and fourth semester for to get to B2 level.
yeah, at least A1 and A2 is done. So that's it. By the way, if you leave here like some months, you will automatically learn to know speak German.
So you
I mean
you plan
it's for the
how
communication part only because like the companies to have to send
No,
mail or
in
do
the
anything it's in English, right?
mm, can't say that, but because if you get an MNC, means some good companies, big companies, which which are globally connected, then IT department, they can there it can be in English. But if you get some uh, local companies in
local?
Germany, it can be issue for you. It's not an issue for
Okay.
the payment side, like salary. They all pay
Mhm.
good, but
Right.
in the
Okay.
language, even they won't prefer English.
Okay, they won't prefer English. They want it in German.
Yeah,
So we should learn not only speaking but writing also.
yeah.
If in case we get a job in local company or if we decided to stay there. What guys you are planning to going to do part-time job or
Yeah, we need to find no part-time jobs.
Weather and nature, what about in the Germany?
Pardon?
weather? He's asking about weather.
Weather, it's chilling, quite chilling. After you
Its
land here,
weather is actually unpredictable
Uh,
because in morning you get summer weather and in evening the raining starts. So
okay, so
it's
three all
totally
the three seasons in day only.
but you can just means wear a t-shirt. Like when I came in my apartment, I was feeling hot. Like the temperature you can control like 25 to 30 degrees inside it. 24 hours there is a heater, so you need not worry for inside. But once you go outside, it's like 2 degree, 1 degree. So you have to pack up like 3 to 4 layer of clothes.
Yeah.
and you have to take wind cheater because raining is start.
Okay. Okay, so rain
Yes,
can
one
start
last
anytime.
question regarding
Yeah,
the
anytime it
education and
start.
also laptop side. Can you just tell little bit about which laptop is mandatory for running a course, especially in SAS, Tableau, and analytic course sites?
Buy a minimum of i5 10 gen.
Mhm.
That 10th or 11th gen is already there in market now.
Yes.
I
Yes.
bought last year like i5 9 gen, so it's also working.
Mhm. And what about RAM and hard disk?
8 GB minimum RAM, 8 GB, and
8 GB.
hard disk that depends upon you. Yeah, 8 GB minimum. Keep the RAM.
So additional certification gives a benefit. For example, Google's also deliver the one of the course, and Harvard Business School also gives the additional certification course for analytics sites. It's an online course, so when we complete it in online, it is a beneficial to us or not, especially in this course.
If you have if you have time and if you have already the certificate, that's good. But I don't know if it's
Okay.
in job. If you have, it's okay now. It's good.
Okay.
Sagar, you wanna ask anything?
Hey Roshan, hey Kenny, how are you guys?
We are good. How are you?
Yep, I am fine. My main question is, what are the challenges you are facing regarding your visa and on the airport? What are the what say steps? Just brief me about that.
So when you will be traveling, we will be briefing you a lot about those travel and things, accommodation. For till
Okay,
now, for now, visa is like it's a temporary issue, but now German government is accelerating the process, so not an issue. I don't think that after 1 year you will be facing any issue. It's because of the corona hit the main time we were about to fly, so it was an issue for us.
Do we have to give any
okay,
interview or
okay.
police verification?
What?
Or do we have to give any interview to the German authorities or embassy or police
No, no.
verification? Kind of thing?
The
Okay.
immigration even didn't check any of my documents. I collected like whole document and they just checked my boarding pass. I
Ah,
told them that it was even done in my check-in. Why did you do that?
mhm.
Immigration did nothing. Like we were so tensed what the things they need to
They will going to
check the
ask for.
document and they just check my boarding pass. That's it.
Didn't ask a single question.
No, not even just he asked that what are you going to do? I told them that I'm doing master.
Okay.
Uh,
He asked in English only.
Yeah,
Okay.
rules and regulation in more strictly.
yeah, it's very strict. So be prepared for that mentally.
Yeah, exactly. Wherever we go, I mean, not only in Germany.
Yeah, and when you land here, like you won't be seeing any much of the crowd, so it's like
Mhm.
empty streets.
Okay.
So it's full silence here,
Yeah.
not even a single noise, because we
Okay.
are told that if you make a noise, the some neighbors may call police
Oh, okay. Even a
directly.
bit
You,
of
you,
loud
you are
noise.
not even warned. If you made loud noise, then you
Uh,
can be like behind the bars.
oh, okay. Fine. Like this thing we need to keep in mind.
Roshan, I have one more question. When you go for the visa stamping, they are asking any question why you have to go Germany and what is your goal and anything.
Nah, nothing.
No, no.
No. Just
Okay.
biometric will be done,
So they
right?
directly take your passport and stamp it and post it in your current address, right?
Yeah. Since our university is like very famous in Germany, one of the largest. So I
Okay.
think that because of that they don't ask anything. And if from Mumbai, they have a lot of students. Like last year, we also like
Wonderful. Wonderful.
10 of us got appointment from Mumbai only.
Mm-hmm.
So even if
Ah,
they
very good.
have any issue, they like consider it as a
Okay.
group visa and then they do anything.
And for visa stamping, Sagar, you can also apply from Ahmedabad.
But I
Yeah,
think
I know,
Ahmedabad is still not open, I mean, fully. I think for Germany, only
because of
Mumbai is
COVID situation.
because of
Actually,
COVID.
Chetan applied from Ahmedabad
Okay.
for visa
Recently.
stamping only.
Mhm. Okay. Right.
Yeah,
They might get
but
it
for
So
in
can you
biometric and
currently,
documentation, you have to go Mumbai.
Mumbai.
I
And what's the
have to ask,
situation?
Roshan and Kelly, currently you are in a SN in which city or a location, or like a urban type location or it's a village type location?
No, no, it's a city.
Okay,
It,
okay. So
yeah.
it's easy to get part-time job in SN, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, wonderful.
And what's the COVID situation there, guys?
2G, 3G rules are applied. Like you have to take the either the vaccination or the
Okay.
recovered certificate or the Snell test means rapid test,
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Okay.
So
So we need to do
depends
one
on the
rapid
places
test.
or mark. Essentials are open.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, entertainment are not open.
Okay. And, about vaccine, like Germany prefer any vaccine or they have some
You all are
specific?
vaccinated
Yeah, I'm fully vaccinated by
I am fully
Covishield.
vaccinated.
Covishield is that.
because we don't know that
Uh,
they are in their website. There are only four vaccines.
mhm.
Covishield is not there approved.
Covis-
So some of
Covaxin,
our senior,
Covaxin, is it Covaxin is approved?
no,
Covax-
that is the not approved from WHO also.
Okay.
At least
which
Covishield
one
is.
you like which
Sputnik.
one you took?
We took the Covishield, but the
Okay.
issue is that we are trying to find out to convert it to the EU pass. So that, but only if we go in the medical shop we can do that. It is approved or not. Otherwise, we have to take Pfizer.
Okay, because like I mean most of in India have the Covishield or Covax.
Yeah, we know. But
So during the
Covishield,
vaccine, I mean,
for the entry, it is allowed. But
okay,
for the other purpose, in
okay, no, I'm asking that only.
So
I
can you
mean,
please mute your mic?
Covishield is allowed for entry. You can go anywhere. But
right.
for as a getting the permanent vaccinated certificate, you are not allowed on Covishield yet. Means I don't know. I have to check it from the shop.
Right.
Maybe 1 year later they approve this Covishield from for the EU regions, but still now there are only four vaccines: Pfizer, Johnson and Johnson, and like that some two more vaccines.
Because to use any like local government place or anything, we have to get that vaccine, right?
I asked my senior 2 days ago. I met him. He told that he is taking Pfizer. It's free of cost.
Okay.
Pfizer's from where? India or Germany?
Germany.
Germany.
Okay.
He has
So
already
government
been
also giving
vaccinated with
vaccination for
Covishield.
free, right? And international students.
Huh?
Government also provide the vaccinations for international students.
Yeah, anyone can take that.
Yeah.
We get a Schengen visa, right? Or
Yeah, Schengen,
this.
probably. You will be getting Schengen visa. We have already applied for that. So we got that Schengen visa only. So you will be free to roam in 22 countries without any hesitation. So if anyone is at love traveling, so they can travel nearby any country.
So is that transportation, public transportation, free for students over in Germany, or
No, I think they
No,
issue some
do we have to
card,
pay?
anything.
no, it's not free.
University issue some kind of card or pass, right? I heard something like.
Yeah, pass is there available, but if you are on a daily basis, like going here and there, you can take it. Still, we are running on online, so we don't find any use of it since we have to remain in our home due to Corona.
Okay, so online classes are going on. Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Corona is there now, so they have
Uh-huh.
closed. Government has closed again.
Okay. So, like, do they have any timeline or it is closed till further notice?
Like that, 2G, 3G only applied, and the institutions are closed, I think.
Mhm. Okay.
So maybe our in January they can open.
Mhm. Okay, so Shenzhen is the only visa, or is there any other option also? Like, you have to apply for
Schengen
that.
visa is there. No?
Is the like is for Europe? This is only one visa, right?
Yeah, you can visit any country in Europe.
Okay.
Schengen is generally which are considered only in European countries,
Ah,
but if
it's
you go to for a UK, that is not approval.
Yeah, UK is not in EU.
UK. No, I'm asking for Europe only that they have a multiple visa for like for different countries, or Schengen is just
Visa is
come
also considered
to.
for European Schengen, but after Brexit, the rules is different.
Mhm.
Okay, one
Question
question I
is,
have.
yeah,
One, like whatever the subjects we have right now, so can we add more subjects in while in third and fourth semester if we want,
like what
related,
subjects you had?
like related to finance or related to statistics, uh, if we want,
Mm,
so that it would be helpful in like investment banker, because what we have learned from
statistical
India,
models, we are
I mean,
learning.
yes,
Everything is
pardon.
covered. Statistical models we are learning already. Means in some subjects you can get it. So you need
Okay,
not.
but okay, but if specifically we want for some, like for some of the investment banks, if they want that you must also have this much this subjects in your field, so can we add those credits also, or
As I'm not from that background, I haven't searched like that anything. So if you
but you can
want, you
add
can ask.
credits? Yeah, but you can add if you want.
Maybe, but I don't know anything about it. Sorry.
Okay, so like in the next meeting, if you could tell us.
You better ask the management now. That is the better
Okay,
way. Yeah.
okay.
And Roshan, one more thing. What is the exam
Yeah.
pattern? It is mostly analytical or it's descriptive as we generally do in India.
Both based on the subjects, you have to write some exams. Then on some in the second semester, you have some major project.
Mm-hmm.
So do that project wisely. It will be very
Okay.
helpful.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's from in leadership and sustainability, we already started
That is
getting
a
case
soft
studies.
skill. Soft skill. Leadership is like soft skill only, nothing more.
Mm-hmm. Okay. There's minimum of like 40 credits is required, right, to eligible to be in Germany in first semester. So evaluation is done by your Indian faculty or it will be sent to
No, no.
Germany?
Your your papers will be sent here. They
Okay.
will only evaluate from FOM and send the transcripts from here only.
Okay. So for whatever the exams we will give, evaluation will be done by German, right?
We will be given credit based on 1 to 5. So don't be confused. We thought that we got some like 2
5
or
out of 10, right?
2.8. So we
Yeah.
thought that it was poor, but later
Okay.
it's like
Yeah.
opposite. If you get
Mm.
1, it's the best. 2, then 3, then 4, then 5.
Right. Okay. So what was your score?
2.
Okay, great. Can you please share that exam experience because of like we used to give exam here in India. You might be aware how our exam pattern is.
Yeah, it's like mm, basically theoretical things are given, and in the case study, you will be given like if you are discussed case study, then they will give it, and as per the case study, you have to answer questions, find it out from there. Then in the big data or architecture, you will be given some long questions like 5 marks question,
Mhm.
6 to 5 questions like that, 10 marks questions,
Okay.
and 5 to 10 short 1 marks question like that.
Okay. So mostly analytical part, right?
Yeah, and
Okay.
class evaluation is also done. So be active.
Okay. So the like the interaction we do in class.
Yeah, and whatever the task you are given.
Mhm.
read the blogs, means
Mhm.
Analytics Vidya. Then there are some more websites. Many websites are there.
Actually, I already started reading
Yeah. Then you have
regarding
KD
the
Nugget
data science and all machine learning.
towards towards data science. These three websites are enough. Like if you at least open your mobile app daily, like and read half an hour, it will be good.
Okay, can you please repeat which three websites?
KD Nuggets, towards
Okay.
data science, and Analytics Vidya.
Okay. Actually, I read on KD Nuggets of I mean, 4 to 5 articles already. Start.
Mhm. That is enough.
Okay. And other than study and this website, so what things like we can do on our part, not from academically, the institute will provide, but from our part, what we can do to get better on it.
So to enhance in German, like watch on YouTube, some German level movies are there. These are very basic. You will
Okay.
hear it with captions and you will understand it. For each level, there are movies, important,
Uh,
some interesting movies. You will have fun, enjoy it. Then for other subjects, architecture, you need to be theoretically sound. So you can't do anything practical about that. So initially, in the first semester, whatever the subjects you have,
mm,
go through it in a theoretical manner only.
okay.
Whatever the terms you get to know, just dig deep into it. If you don't understand, you can search on YouTube or ma'am, she teaches very well, so you need
Yes.
not worry about anything. And in the
Okay.
second semester, you will get like case study, a lot of case study. So
Mm,
try to understand those things. And uh, for best thing, I could tell you that if Amit sir is there, then ask him how to cover these things. He will tell you his experience. Like he
uh-huh.
will spend like 1 or 1.5 hour like on that only topic. So
Okay.
either by the end of the semester you
Mhm.
ask him or by the middle anytime. So he will
Okay.
tell his whole experience how to be sound in these uh, areas, what is the future and whatever anything. So ask him. This is a must ask question. So every
Mm.
one of you should be attentive that whatever he tells, you note it down. It will be
Mm.
important.
So Amit sir will be teaching us in second sem only, right? As
Yeah.
of now, we didn't get any sort of introduction from him or any schedule has been given to his subject.
Okay. Business intelligence he will taking maybe in second semester.
Okay. Okay.
Second and first also maybe he will be taking.
Okay, maybe from a later part because we just began from this week only.
Yeah.
Okay, one question I have: what it's like to learn German? Like, is it going to be like we have to go for the alphabets first, and then how the
Yeah.
alphabets through alphabets words are formed, or directly we just we have to learn the daily interaction words?
Yeah, if you love like learning new language, like I know Hindi, English, Bengali, Gujarati, these things. So I love learning new language. So it will be interesting for you. Like someone told me he knows French. So it will be easy also, like from the very beginning, how to pronounce A, B, C, D, you will know. From the very basic, they will teach you. So not an issue.
Okay.
You learn.
Then you will come across new words. You will grow vocabs. Then you learn to how to pronounce even the date, time, month, week, name, everything. Not much difference. If you know Hindi properly, then it will be good. English is very much like different from it. Even if they write in English, but it's not like that. So I think Sani sir will be taking your German classes now.
Yes. So he
Yes,
He's
told
a
me
very
the
good
name.
teacher. He sometimes, but
hey,
uh,
he's from
you
Jaipur
can
only.
learn.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's from the same city where I am.
Okay.
From Rajasthan, I think. Associated.
Then you can go. One of our friends was from Rajasthan only. Sometimes he used to go to his center and attend offline classes while we were on online. So you can
learn to
go.
hold
Was he Kota?
German.
Was he Kota? Was his name Kota wala?
No, Ashish Ghosh.
Ashish Ghosh. Okay.
Kota is from Andhra.
Okay.
Any more questions?
Is it okay to learn German online? I mean, from like online lecture or physical like physical class we do. That's more.
No, online is enough. Whatever sir teaches, it is enough. And apart from that, you practice on YouTube. You will get a lot of videos also. So
Okay.
try from that also. At least invest half an hour or 1 hour each
Daily.
day. It will be more than enough. More than enough.
Okay, fine.
So I'm also looking for like job opportunities in USA, Canada, or maybe some other country. Not only in Germany after that. So will it be like fruitful if we go for?
No, if you live in Germany and survive, then only you need to learn German. Other countries, not necessary. Germany, Austria, Switzerland. If you not go elsewhere, not an issue. You can survive on English easily. But if you wanna live in Germany, then German is must.
Yes, yes. I mean to say that I am also looking for other places for job opportunities, not only in Germany, but other than Germany also. So like I'm asking you what about the course? Like if we go over there, then also the course will be fruitful for us.
Yes, yes, of course.
Scope of this course, and he wants.
Yeah, you can even search on like internet. The highest scope of is in Europe only. Europe, America, India. India, though it's emerging in data science. Like you can't get that. I tried like for 1 year, but more of them like demand 5 to 6 years of experience. How can I gain that? Not
This
even
course
in
is
colleges they are teaching data science. Only one or two subject. Now they have, I think, included some colleges. They are starting included data science since they saw the
But they are
boom.
but yes, but they are in part. Like some are only giving you R programming, some are only ML, and some are not giving the business analytics part. They are doing it in parts. Like they are not teaching us the whole
full-fledged course is
every
still okay.
all the subjects. I searched for
Yeah,
some of.
online courses are like they are just providing it because they want to earn money and they saw the boom in the corona pandemic now.
Yes,
That's
yes, yes.
everyone like opening whatever the course in the name of data science as soon as possible.
That's what I saw.
Since after completing my graduation last year in April, I was searching about the scopes of it, and I couldn't find any guide. Like only one YouTuber was there, Krish Nayak, so he guided something
Yes,
like that.
I
But
watched few videos.
in the month of August or November, I was seeing like everybody was providing this course. In only 3 to 4 months, they understood what is the importance of this.
Yes, yes.
I think you have completed first and second semester fully online, right?
Yeah, we covered it online only.
So I have a question. We already discussed with Avinash regarding offline campus. So online is beneficial. It means it is a good or not. We focus offline side also in Ahmedabad. So he say we started in next week as per the information of guidelines of governments and also students reviews. So what do you say? Offline is much better or online as per your suggestion?
Since you have to sit for long, uh, we have to suffer. We used to suffer a lot in online classes, like from morning, sometimes morning to evening, and our eyes were red. We can't
Oh,
even
why?
sit like that unless comfortably you are sitting. So it's obviously offline is better.
You did also
Okay.
start the semester very late, like us, because we are 3 months late. I mean, we have just 9 months to cover
We
both
started
semesters.
in We started in November only, start slowly, but swiftly in January it started to pace.
Okay, so
For the
we
second
are late
semester,
than you. We started
we
December.
are, it will it is not late. It's like December only now. It's good. In the November and December, we used to be like only 1 or 2 lectures initially. For
We are
like
also having
till
same.
January. In January, you will be pacing like other faculties will be joining soon because
Here
syllabus
we
is
are
not
having
that much.
right in person. No?
Yeah.
Roshan, I asked a question. What is the tenure of the one semester?
3 to 4 months, March, April. In April, you will be finishing the first semester, I think.
Okay, good enough.
It's
Do you
enough more than
facing any difficulty in food, like because as we used to have in India?
in Germany.
Yes, I mean, you facing any difficulty in food, having food?
Yeah, but is there any vegetarian food available or not, or only non-vegetarian is available?
Since I know how to cook, I'm living away from home since 14 years, so not an issue for me. But you won't
Okay.
be able to find good food here like Indian. Even the fruits and vegetables will be like costly 2 euros, like 160 rupees per kilo, something like that.
Yes.
I can't even find Maggie now till now in market. I went yesterday, but
Okay.
there was not like any Maggie. But you will find noodles and all. You have to cope up with. They have like 300 types of bread. You can have that new taste.
Okay,
So
Everything
how
is
it
and
is
we can cook,
regarding?
and we can cook also if we want.
Yeah, you can. You will be given an apartment with everything. Like we have heater which is running 24 hours. We have microwave, we have oven, we have dishwasher, we have gas cooker, we have everything.
So is it
So
like a
what's the
studio
monthly
flat,
rent?
yeah, or you are living with someone, or
Yeah, we have 4 students living. We two other two will be joining on Sunday. Here they are flying from Ahmedabad and one from Chennai,
okay.
Kota. Yeah, you will get shared apartments here only. Either three shared, two shared. So if you find single apartment, they will be double the cost, whatever we are paying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like the
What's the rent
university
if
is
you
not,
can share?
yeah, if the university is not providing any uh, apartment to us, do we have to like
Our
search for the
university
apartment by
doesn't
ourselves?
University doesn't have any hostel. Yeah, we have
Okay.
to search on whatever we like. Nearby,
That will be
university is
great.
like 300 meters away from us only. Very
Okay.
near. Okay, so guys, so I need to go have a city registration appointment.
Okay. Yes, yes,
Sure, sir. Thank
sure.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank
If
you.
anything is there, you can mail me.
Yeah,
Me or
yeah, sure.
Kenny. You have our email ID now.
No,
No,
we
we no,
don't.
right now we don't have.
Can you
It's
send
fine.
in messages? Yes,
Yeah,
I've got it. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so
no
much.
problem. Bye. Take care.
All the best, you guys.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.